Almost 85% of car owners are driving around right now with features built into their own vehicle that they've never once used. Millions of people are completely clueless about buttons, tricks, and hidden settings sitting right under their nose. And one of these hacks alone can save you from a $3,000 transmission mistake. Today we're covering 18 genius car hacks you 100% need to know. Some of these take 10 seconds. Some cost less than $10 to fix. All of them will make you look at your car differently. Let's begin now with hack number 18. Hack number 18, the windshield washer nozzle trick. You've been there. Your washer fluid sprays too high, missing the glass completely, or it dribbles weakly down the hood while you're trying to see through bug guts on the highway. Most people just live with it or pay a shop $50 to fix something that takes 10 seconds. Here's what they don't tell you. Those little nozzles on your hood are adjustable by hand. Grab a straight pin or a sewing needle, stick it straight into the nozzle opening, and gently tilt it in the direction you want the spray to go. Push it up if the spray's hitting too low, tilt it down if it's flying over the roof. Test it, adjust again if needed, and you're done. Here's the kicker. This same trick clears clogged nozzles too. If your washer's stopped spraying entirely, that pin can knock loose whatever dirt or dried fluid is blocking the hole, saving you a $150 nozzle replacement. But wait, if that hidden feature just blew your mind, this next trick could save your transmission. Hack number 17, the tow truck mode most people never activate. Here's the problem. If your automatic transmission car ever needs to be towed and the driver hooks it up wrong, you could be looking at a $3,000 transmission rebuild. Here's how it actually works. Many modern vehicles, especially Fords, GMs, and some Toyotas, have a tow or transport mode buried in the settings menu that locks the transmission in neutral and disables certain electronics for safe flatbed or dolly towing. Check your owner's manual or menu under vehicle settings before you ever need a tow. But here's what makes this even better. Activating tow mode before a long tow, even a short one down the block, protects your all-wheel drive system from internal damage that insurance often won't cover if a shop determines it happened from improper towing. You'd be very much surprised by this next myth about your dashboard. Hack number 16, the fuel gauge arrow you've been ignoring. Nobody looks at their own gas gauge closely enough to notice this. Right next to the fuel icon, there's a tiny arrow pointing left or right. That arrow tells you exactly which side of the car your gas cap is on. No more guessing at the pump, no more pulling up to the wrong side and stretching the hose across your trunk. It's been there the whole time on basically every car made since the 1980s. Here's the kicker. Rental car drivers waste an average of several seconds every single fill-up because of this, and it adds up over a road trip. One glance at that arrow saves you the awkward three-point turn at a crowded gas station. Trust me, this next one will shock you if your check engine light has ever come on. Hack number 15, the gas cap check. According to CarMD's annual Vehicle Health Index, a loose or damaged gas cap is one of the most common reasons your check engine light turns on, and most drivers panic and head straight to the shop. A diagnostic visit alone can run you $100 or more before any repair even starts. Here's what they don't tell you. Your car's evaporative emissions system needs an airtight seal on that gas cap. If it's loose, cracked, or missing, the sensor detects a leak and lights up your dashboard immediately. Before you pay anyone a dime, pull over, tighten the cap until you hear 3 clicks, and drive for a day or two. In most cases, the light resets on its own within 20 to 40 miles. A replacement cap, if you actually need one, costs under $15 at any auto parts store. Wait until you hear about this next hidden gem hiding in your trunk. Hack number 14, the hidden second fuse box. Most people know about the fuse box under the dashboard, but here's the problem. Sometimes a fuse blows and the dash box shows nothing wrong. That's because on most modern vehicles, there's a second fuse and relay box under the hood, usually near the battery, and it controls things like the headlights, cooling fan, and starter relay. If your radio works but your headlights don't, or your AC blows but your windows won't roll down, checking only one box leaves you stuck. Here's how it actually works. Pop the hood, look for a black rectangular box near the battery terminal, and the fuse diagram is almost always printed right on the underside of the lid. But here's what makes this even better. Keeping a $5 fuse assortment kit in your glove box means you can swap a blown fuse yourself in under 2 minutes instead of paying a shop's diagnostic fee just to find a 50-cent part. If you made it here, we'll appreciate liking the video. It'll help us do more car tips videos. Hack number 13, the child lock switch that isn't just for kids. Everybody assumes the little switch on the inside edge of your rear doors is only useful if you have children in the car. But here's the deal, that same child lock, when flipped, prevents the door from being opened from the inside handle at all, meaning nobody can pop it open in a parking lot, on a busy street, or from a back seat during a chaotic moment. Flip it on when you're driving with unpredictable passengers, pets, or even during winter to stop a door from blowing open in high wind. It takes 2 seconds to switch, and it's been sitting on your door edge the entire time you've owned the car. Hack number 12, the coin trick for tire tread. Your tires might look fine at a glance, but bald tires are involved in thousands of accidents every year, according to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. Most people wait for a mechanic to point it out during an oil change. Here's the fix that costs you nothing. Take a penny, insert it into your tire's tread groove with Lincoln's head facing down. If you can see the top of his head, your tread is below 2/16 of an inch, and it's time for new tires immediately. Here's the kicker. Do this test at 3 different spots on each tire, because uneven wear from alignment issues can make one section fine while another is dangerously bald. Now, for a secret car feature that'll make life easier every single winter. Hack number 11. The heated steering wheel most drivers forget exists. If your car has heated seats, there's a good chance it also has a heated steering wheel button that almost nobody uses because it's tucked away on a separate switch near the climate controls or steering column. On a freezing morning, this warms your hands in under 60 seconds without needing to blast the cabin heater, which means your engine doesn't have to work as hard just to get you comfortable. Many Subaru, Ford, and GM models have included this since the early 2010s. Check your steering wheel spokes for a small icon that looks like curved lines radiating outward. That's your button. Hack number 10. The AC recirculate button for faster cooling. On a hot day, most people crank the AC to max and wait, wasting fuel and patience. Here's what they don't tell you. That button with the curved arrow looping through a car icon is your recirculation setting, and it stops pulling in hot outside air, instead cycling the already cooled cabin air back through the system. Studies from the Department of Energy show this can cool your car up to twice as fast in extreme heat and can improve fuel economy by reducing how hard your AC compressor works. Just remember to turn it off after a few minutes so you don't run low on oxygen or fog up your windows with humidity. But wait, if that hidden feature just blew your mind, this next trick could save your engine after a long trip. Hack number 9. Why you shouldn't shut off a turbocharged engine immediately. Here's the problem nobody explains at the dealership. If you drive a turbocharged car hard, then shut it off the second you park, you can starve the turbo of oil while it's still spinning at extremely high speeds, sometimes over 100,000 RPM. Over time, this cooks the oil inside the turbo bearings and can lead to a repair costing $1,500 or more. Here's how it actually works. Let your engine idle for 30 to 60 seconds after a hard drive before shutting it off, especially after highway speeds or towing. Many newer turbocharged cars from Ford, BMW, and Subaru have a turbo timer or simply handle this automatically. But on older or non-turbo timer vehicles, this habit alone can add years to your turbo's life. You'd be very much surprised by this next myth about your spare key. Hack number 8. The hidden key slot in your key fob. If your fob battery ever dies at the worst possible time, most people assume they're stuck calling a locksmith for $75 or more. Here's the fix. Nearly every key fob has a small mechanical key hidden inside it, released by sliding a tiny switch or button on the back, sometimes labeled with a small arrow. That metal key fits directly into a hidden keyhole, often covered by a small plastic cap on your driver's door handle. Once you're inside, most cars let you start the engine by simply pressing the fob directly against the start button or the steering column, even with a completely dead battery. Hack number 7. The trick to defog your windows in under a minute. Foggy windows on a rainy or cold morning make most drivers just blast the defrost and wait, wasting 5 or 6 minutes. Here's what actually works faster. Turn on your AC alongside the defrost setting. Even if it's cold outside, the AC compressor pulls moisture out of the air, while the defrost setting directs warm, dry air at the glass. Combined, this clears fog in under 60 seconds instead of several minutes of blurry, dangerous visibility. This works because fog forms from humidity, and AC's entire job is dehumidifying, regardless of temperature. Trust me, this next one will shock you if you've ever run out of gas. Hack number 6. Why your fuel light comes on earlier than you think. Most drivers panic the moment that light turns on, assuming they have maybe 10 miles left. Here's the truth automakers don't advertise. Most vehicles are engineered with a reserve tank buffer built in specifically for that low fuel light, typically giving you anywhere from 30 to 50 extra miles depending on the make and model. According to AAA data, this buffer exists because manufacturers know drivers panic, so they build in a cushion. That said, running on empty regularly can suck sediment from the bottom of the tank into your fuel pump, leading to a $400 to $600 fuel pump replacement over time. So don't make it a habit. Just know you likely have more room than you think in an emergency. Wait until you hear about this next hidden gem for parking in tight spots. Hack number 5. The side mirror trick for parallel parking. Most people struggle to judge distance when backing into a tight spot, scraping curbs, or hitting the car behind them. Here's the fix nobody teaches in driving school. Adjust your side mirrors outward until you can just barely see the edge of your own car in the frame. This eliminates almost all of your blind spot on both sides. Combine that with checking your side mirror the moment the car behind you disappears from your rearview mirror. That's your exact cue to start turning the wheel. Parking instructors call this the 3-mirror method, and it turns a stressful parallel park into a smooth 10-second maneuver. Hack number 4. The button that stops your trunk from randomly popping open. If your trunk or hatch ever opens on its own while driving over bumps, most people assume something's broken and head to the dealership, sometimes paying $200 or more for a diagnostic. Here's what's actually happening. The trunk release button on your key fob or dashboard is often just overly sensitive, or the latch striker has shifted slightly out of alignment. Before paying for a repair, try adjusting the striker plate with a Phillips screwdriver. It usually has slotted screw holes that let you shift it by just a few millimeters. In many cases, this 5-minute fix solves the problem completely, no mechanic required. Now, for a secret car feature that'll save your brakes. Hack number 3, the engine braking trick going downhill. Riding your brakes down a long hill or mountain pass overheats your brake pads, and repeated overheating can warp your rotors, leading to a repair bill between $300 and $600. Here's how it actually works. Shifting into a lower gear, either manually or using your car's L or paddle shift setting, forces the engine itself to slow the car down through compression, taking pressure off your brakes entirely. Truck drivers have used this trick for decades on steep grades, and it works just as well in a regular sedan or SUV. Your engine can handle the extra resistance far better than your brake pads can handle sustained heat. Hack number 2. The trick to check your oil more accurately. Most people check their oil right after driving, and it throws the reading off completely because the oil hasn't settled back into the pan. Here's what they don't tell you. Wait at least 5 to 10 minutes after shutting off your engine before pulling the dipstick, and always check it on level ground. Wipe the dipstick clean, reinsert it fully, then pull it out again to get your real reading. This tiny 5-minute habit prevents you from overfilling or underfilling your oil, both of which can cause engine damage costing anywhere from $500 to several $1,000s, depending on how severe it gets. And now, the biggest one, the hack that ties everything together. Hack number 1. The button that could save you the most money of anything on this list, the tire pressure monitoring reset. Here's the problem almost every driver deals with. Your tire pressure light turns on, you fill up your tires, and the light stays on anyway, so people either ignore it or pay a shop $50 to $80 just to reset a sensor. Here's how it actually works. Most vehicles have a TPMS reset button, usually located under the steering wheel or in the glove box, that needs to be held for a few seconds with the key in the on position, not running, right after you've properly inflated all 4 tires to the number listed on the sticker inside your driver's door, not the number on the tire itself. Here's the kicker, and this is the one people miss constantly. Driving on underinflated tires by even 5 or 6 PS, I can reduce your fuel economy by up to 3%, according to the Department of Energy, and it dramatically increases your risk of a blowout at highway speed. That's the difference between a 5-second fix in your glove box and a $3,000 accident from a tire failure nobody saw coming. So there you have it, 18 genius car hacks that most drivers go their entire lives without ever discovering. Which of these did you already know? Drop the number in the comments. We want to see how many of you were already pros. And if you want more videos like this, hit subscribe because we've got a lot more car tips and hidden tricks coming your way.